in this tournament for New Zealand, maybe a little bit coming in, not being quite ready to play like maybe they needed to be?
Yeah, a lot of things. You know, they didn't shoot the ball very well, and that's their game. Playing at pace and knocking down the wide open three, and you know, there's definitely some great learnings and experience here. Davison was great.
Yeah, you gotta really highlight the positives for the New Zealand team, which is going to be hard to do now because we talked about this. If you leave with a loss, you don't have as fond of memories of this tournament. But you know, there's a lot to like about the Tall Blacks, and they'll be back. But really, the moment belongs to Iran, and you can see how much it meant to them. Those two guys, they just pulled together Iran and got it done. So not surprisingly, they are over the moon. There has been a change in protocol, a late change in protocol. We are not going to have the awarding of the third place medal. After this game, we're going to wait until the final. So the final will be between Australia and China, and that will tip off at 7 p.m. local time. We look forward to having you with us.
This program was brought to you by Arena Plus, the official partner of Gilas Pilipinas.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Hindi ko alam kung magagawa ko to.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya natin to.
Paano kung mahanap niya tayo?
Kaya kitang protektahan. Magtiwala ka kasi sa akin. Karapatan mo ding makasama ang taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi yung kinokontrol ka lang. Sige na, tara na. Magmadali na tayo.
Alexander, hindi to gaya ng iniisip mo.
Niloko mo ko. Magtutuos tayo mamaya. At ikaw, ito ba ang pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko makita.
Huwag mong gawin to, Sogo.
May huling habiling ka ba?
Meron. Pineapple.
Pineapple? Anong meron sa pineapple?
Isang masarap na prutas.
Alam kong masarap yun. Loko-loko ka talaga. Alam mo yun? Ibibigay ko ang huling-hiling mo. Tapos, sasagutin mo ko ng pineapple. Walang kwenta. Ano to?
Kasi ang pineapple, ito ang gamit na code para sa raid order.
Pulis na! Lumayan niyo pa rin yun! Huwag kayong gagalaw! Tabi! O, dyan ka lang!
Huwag mo nang ituloy ang iniisip mo.
Bumaba ka! Dyan ka lang! Huwag kang kikilit sa musama! Dyan ka lang! Nasa kamay!
FBI, arestado ka na, Zogu. Racketeering, wire fraud, money laundering. Makakaisip pa kami na ibang kaso gaya ng sinubukan mo akong patayin at pagsampal sa mga babae.
At may masangsang na pabango.
Umpisa pa lang to, kaibigan.
Hindi mo ako kaibigan. Alisin nyo nga ito sa harap ko.
Ano, FBI ka?
Pasensya ka na.
Team Alpha, do you copy? Team Bravo, area is clear. Pwede na kayong lumabas. Area is clear. Secure na ang lahat.
Okay ka lang, bro?
Pineapple? Wala ka nang naisip na mas maganda sa pineapple?
Ikaw talaga. Alam mo naman, mahilig ako sa pineapple, bro.